Y'all, oh my God. Okay, so I have PDA, which is pathological demand avoidance. And every time I write myself like a little list of things, my brain just goes, I'm not doing that. I don't know what you think you're talking about, but I'm not about to do that. So I made a not to do list. And I made this last night. I'm so proud of it. Look at it. I've made a notepad. It's got like 30 pages in it. And it does have a chipboard backing on it, right? And I'm just, it does, what, look at this. Look at this. Look. You need it. Yeah, you need it. It won't tear it in half. I love that so much. And then, of course, I did something for Halloween. I made it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine, non-stick stickable sticker book. This is already available. Both of these are on SpectrumDIY.com. So if you want to get one, you can. They are limited edition, though, because this one I normally only do as a sticker or like a button. But I figured we'd do it as a book. Why not? Just for a little while anyway. And then, of course, it's got orange pocket divider. So it goes from 10 non-stick pages to a pocket divider. And there's 30 pages and 3 pocket dividers on this one. This is the deluxe, right? So if you order it and you get a deluxe version, this is what it'll look like. In addition to that, this one has pocket pages, which means this one, there's 5 pocket pages in it. So for an example, the way you would order one of these, so you're in the spooky section, you click on the reusable non-stick stickable sticker book, it's fine. You can pick the regular or the deluxe. This one is the deluxe, right? And then you've got optional pocket pages, and then you can even upgrade. If you got the regular one, you can upgrade the regular one. The deluxe doesn't need this. You can, which will tell me that you want this other holographic on it, but it already comes with clear laminate by default. It's just that this is for the regular version, and that's why it's optional. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you guys have a great day and stay hydrated and clean as you go. Peace, dudes.